How to fix can't trade problem on Steam. So if you want to fix can't trade problem on Steam, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Steam application or your browser and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, on the top left, you will have a Steam icon. Just click on it and then go with settings. Now, once you're on your settings here, you will have security. Just click on security. And once you're on your security section here on the right side, you will have Steam card. You need to go with manage Steam card, which will be on the right side. This might sound a bit technical, but it's essentially a layer of security designed to keep your account safe. Within this option, you want to ensure that Steam Card is activated for your account. Steam Card is vital for trading and using the community market, as both functions require it to be enabled. Now, a quick reminder, if you've recently changed your password or added a mobile authentication, there's a brief waiting period involved. You'll be restricted from trading and the community market for 5 days. If you try to make trades within the first 7 days of adding the authenticator, you might experience up to a 15-day trade hold. These waiting periods are standard security measures intended to protect users from malicious activity. You need to double check that your email and phone number have been verified. This ensures you are in control of your account. Once you've gone through these settings and confirmations, close and reopen the Steam client. Doing so refreshes your session and often applies the changes that you've made immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should find trading on Steam to be a smoother and more secure process. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.